This drive-through microphone is monitored and recorded for quality assurance. What can I make for you today?
Could I have a 2-for-1 fish burger with onion and lettuce only? A large Sprite?
I'm sorry, could you please repeat that?
A 2-for-1 fish burger, onion and lettuce only, large Sprite.
Okay, can I get you anything else?
I think that's it.
Just to confirm, I have 2 fish sandwich, only onions, only lettuce, large Sprite. Is that correct?
Yes.
Just a second, I'm finalizing your order and getting your total. Your total is $7.48. Thank you, we'll see you at the window.